Hey guys, it's SterlingW. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Singer 4432 heavy duty sewing machine. I just got this and this was be pretty awesome because this is my personal one. Reason being was that about a month ago, I basically bought one for my mom who started teaching me how to sew, which is pretty awesome. I've been asking her to borrow her machine so often that I feel kind of bad. So I decided to buy my own Singer 4432 because she actually uses it almost every day. So in the past couple of weeks, she taught me how to sew and hem pants, as well as do a lot of small quick alterations and stuff. So personally, I already changed out all of my pants, and this is like shortened a lot of my pants that I bought new, and it's been really awesome. So I have other fun projects I want to do, so I decided to buy this one, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing and also a comparison between the one we bought probably a month ago and this one. They definitely changed the packaging, and let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. And taking it out, it's still the same packaging and styrofoam and stuff, so it's packed really well. Again, this is a heavy duty model, which is nice because you could go through jeans and stuff with relatively ease. We already did a few jean projects already, but taking off the foam packaging, it is pretty awesome. And voila, same model, same everything. It's still gray, so it's pretty neat. It's, and in the center there is that pedal I guess the control pedal and stuff. We'll put that to the side. So still the same Singer 4432. It's exactly the same as the one we have like about a month ago. We bought a month ago. The outside packaging was a little different. I noticed that there isn't some thread that comes with it. Like the previous one we had that we bought about a month or a month and a half ago, basically had some pre-threaded stuff on the top. Those are so that we can actually start going immediately. I'm going to take this other stuff out, including the paper and more, I guess, advertisements and stuff for their free lessons and the quick start guide. Very useful stuff. Go ahead and read that stuff. It's actually really cool. But I'm looking down at this, and it looks like they don't have that pre-filled bobbin. So the last time we bought this, they had the bobbin already filled with thread and ready, and they already pre-threaded this thing, which I thought was pretty neat. And that's how I started sewing almost immediately. But overall, the whole thing is exactly the same, but they didn't thread the stuff this time. I think we'll have to get thread for this, but it's okay because I have plenty of thread. Looking at the accessory kit, everything is still the same except for that thread thing. The whole accessory kit fits into that storage bin that goes into this sleeve drawer that you can open up and put a sleeve or pant leg in there. For the accessories, they're all the same as the previous one that we got, including the feet for like buttons, as well as the other attachments, and pretty much a lot of the bobbins and the extra needles and stuff. They're all here. So it's basically the same. The machinery is basically the same. The accessories are the same as well. So overall, same exact machine, the 4432. And the pedal's still there. It's still the same light pedal. It has a dust cover that now has a Singer logo on it, which is nice too. Here are the settings for the Singer 4432 straight from the factory. But at the same time, you're going to be using this and changing this anyways. The only thing I didn't touch, of course, was the fine micro adjustments for like the buttons or on the top part for that thing. I'm probably not going to touch that. Same thing for the embroidery thing. I'm not going to touch that. I'm just going to go ahead and start it as is. The automatic threader is there, and it's great. That's the main thing why I bought this thing, was because it has an auto threader. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this unboxing was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.